good? Welcome to my channel. Before you get started, why don't you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every single time I post another video. Now, the color that you just seen me pour is actually not really color. This is Joico's clear gloss. So what this clear gloss is going to do is just give my hair a little bit of shine, because I'm not going to color my hair again for probably about 3 more weeks. So this is just gonna give my hair like a little oomph, because I like to wear my hair like really dark black, but I didn't do permanent colors, so you know it's starting to fade a little bit and my hair starting to look a little dingy. So that's why I went ahead and decided to use a Joico's clear, and this clear, you'll see by the end, is going to give my hair a whole lot of shine. Now I want you guys to make sure that you click the link in the description box to check on all of my older videos so you can keep up with my playlist, right? And in this playlist, I am showing you exactly how I am moving through my natural hair growth cycle with Hydronitis Suppurativa. So my hair has already been detangled. It is very important that you detangle your hair, A, dry to minimize breakage, and B, before you break the hydrogen bond at all, or before you start to add color, right? So I am working this into my hair shaft, right? And I am actually in love with Joico's hair color and their complex, so I did not mix Olaplex into this Joico, because Joico does have its own version of bond protection. So one thing that I do want to note to you guys, don't play around and mix different bond protectors at the same time, right? So in a second I will use Olaplex, but I'll be using the shampoo and conditioner. I won't be mixing Olaplex 1, which is the very concentrated version of the bond multiplier. I won't be using that because this version of color that I'm having has its own version of bond reconstruction. Is it as good as Olaplex? No, but it's already mixed into their color formulation, and just because I'm not doing any type of lift, we're only doing a little deposit, little shine, that is what we're going for. All right, so I really hope that makes sense. Leave me some comments below and let me know if that made sense to you in any type of way. But I really want you guys to get into the science of hair. That's why I'm happy to announce my 7-day hair growth challenge to you. Normally it was free $99, but it's been getting a whole lot of value, and for me to continue to transition this value and to give you the type of attention you need, we have it broken down into a challenge. It's very affordable. So if you're interested in taking on the 7-day hair growth challenge and learning your hair's natural hair growth cycle and how you can move with it, then sign up. Links in the description box below. And also check out my free group. Even though you won't be able to see the challenge in there any longer, you can still see the results that people got from my challenge. So I'm gonna stop talking in a second, but let me explain to you what you just saw. I went ahead and put the clear in, and then I let it sit for about 15 minutes. Don't let it go any longer. All right, and then after that, I'm turning around and shampooing a little bit of the excess out. Remember, we don't layer products on top of each other. That's the perfect way to make your hair weaker and give you different versions of hydra fatigue or protein overload, depending on what your porosity is and what products you're layering up. All right, so I'm doing this first initial wash just to get all of the product out, because remember, we're not layering up bond protectors at all. So now I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of Olaplex 3 on my hair while I am showering, even though this is still shampoo. But after that, I'm gonna put Olaplex 3 on my hair and let that sit for a little millisecond, like a millisecond. I don't need it to sit that long. And then after that, I'm shampooing again, which is actually, yeah, this is after the little slip from the 3. And now I'm going ahead and which is Olaplex 8. All right, so Olaplex 8 is going to work great in my hair. I have so many videos explaining Olaplex 8, so if you want a more detailed version on Olaplex, then make sure you check the links in the description box below, because y'all know I love me some Olaplex. All right, so this is where most people get confused and where most of the arguments start. This is combing your hair, not detangling your hair. So detangling your hair is getting rid of mats and tangles and knots and things of that nature while the hair is wet. There's absolutely nothing wrong with you guys combing your hair when it's wet, as long as you don't have any knots. After combing my entire head, this is the only breakage that I had, right? So I'm just letting this sit for a little bit. If you follow my journey, you know that even since I shaved my head, my curls have always been different in different places, and the longer my hair gets, the heavier it will become, and some of the curls will, I have high porosity hair, so I do not need a hooded dryer. Look at how much steam is in there in the shower. It was like being under a steamer. So I love you guys. Make sure you sit back, chill, and relax. Check the links in the description box for all of the information. Look at how easy it is for me to like detangle my hair with my nails, because when you properly prepare your hair, baby, everything's magical. So again, check the link in the description box for all of the products and all of the tools that I used in this video. Over on the Guru 101, you guys will be getting a full detailed round brushing tutorial. So keep up and look in your emails for that, Sugarfoot. I'm about to go. All right.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa, or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go. I want it, yeah, I need it, and I'm on it. Are you the same? 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 When will tomorrow come? Why do I still miss you? Why can't I move on? Thought I left you smiling. My past is holding on. They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? When will tomorrow? No. When will it come? Yeah. Come. Will it stop hurting so much? So much. No. When will it come? War is a four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words, four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like game that I couldn't play. The memory card got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway, yeah. Cause it's a maze every day. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss that spot. It's all I got. Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rules.